Hello everyone, welcome to this tutorial. In this video, we're going to walk you through the step-by-step process on how to install and set up Gorgias Action Automation for workflow apps. Once on your account, head over to App Marketplace, click on it, search for your app and click on it. Click on Install. Here, click on Allow and Install. Once your app has successfully been installed, you're going to refresh your tab and click on the custom page. Then the interface of the app is going to pop up where you have access to your documentation. Under the tutorials, you're going to have access to the SmartQ video that's going to serve as a guideline on how to get the necessary credentials. Right beside it, we have the setup that shows the status of the app. Here, we notice that our app haven't yet been connected, but no worries, we're going to walk you through on how to connect and set up the app. First thing, you're going to click on Start Setup, head over to your account online. Once you're here, click on the settings icon, scroll down, click on REST API, and click on Create API Key. Our API key has been created, so we're going to click on the icon to view and copy your API key, head over back to your account, paste your API key. You're equally going to enter your email. You're going to head over back to your account online and get your domain. Go back to your account and paste your domain. Once you're done, click on Complete Setup. There we go. Our app has successfully been connected and set up. We equally have the support center. At the level of support center, you can create a ticket for our support team, or you can book a call with our support team. We have the change log. At the level of the change log, you're going to see the necessary notifications concerning the new updates and the changes of this app. In order for you to receive these notifications, you're going to toggle on the notification button, enter your email, and click on subscribe. And that's it. I hope this tutorial helped you get everything set up. If you need any help, our support team is here for you 24/7. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel.